We're now looking at an interesting small lot of a couple maps and a view book and some pamphlets that were created and issued for the Sesqui-Centennial International Exposition held in Philadelphia in 1926. As you can see, it's a very attractive color lithographed plan of the fairgrounds. Interesting auto parking space here with a trolley terminal here, trolley terminal. There's a Chinese village, rides and amusements. Kind of interesting, the Battle of Gettysburg was recreated. Yeah, interesting. And also now is this transportation-related map to arriving at the expo. And if we flip this over, we see that it was a complimentary guide map that was given out with a key. Of course, naturally, any of these loosely distributed type printed ephemeral cartographic artifacts like that are today typically quite scarce, given that their loss and disposal rate would be very high. And so we also have this very interesting photo, postcard style accordion folder of views printed on, look at this, a bit of Cairo at the expo. We'll go this way with it. There's the Florida building. Yeah, the main entrance, other views, the bank building, and so on. And then we have these. These are kind of interesting. There are 4 of these little folding pamphlet like sheets that relate to transportation at and to and around this expo. No doubt also quite scarce given how ephemeral they are. And so this lot is available online now from me, Brian DeMambro.